Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk. Today we are doing a evaporator core replacement on this Nissan Serena S hybrid. So guys, we already removed the core, and before we could remove the core, we'd have to also remove the two panel glass, just because the bolt here that hold the steering column, the bolt is right under the panel glass, so we'd have to move the glass to access the bolt. So guys, these are some of the stuff that we remove, and I also going to show you the panel glass. We'd have to also slightly pull the hinge on the door so we can ease back this bolt so the steering column could removed. So as you see, the door slightly drop. So guys, I'm going to show you the glass that we remove, is secured in this vehicle. So this is the two glass. And I'm also going to show you the evaporator core. So this is the core. This is the evaporator core that we removed, and this is the area that it's leaking. You can see the oil on it. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here, and click that notification bell so when we upload part 2 you won't miss it. So guys, this is also Mitsubishi Pajero. We convert compressor on the engine, convert a Toyota compressor on it. So guys, we are going to upload this video also for this Mitsubishi Pajero, so I won't want you guys to miss out on this video. So as I say, once you're new on the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you can give this video a like also. So I'm just going to show you a couple of vehicles that we are working on also. So we have a pro box over here. We have a Nissan Tida doing a evaporator core replacement, and we have a Honda over here. I'm going to fly the bonnet, show you what we are going to do on it. So guys, this vehicle was in an accident, and the liquid line pipe, the condenser side missing, and also this low side pipe have a crimp here. So we're going to cut out this crimp and weld it back together. Also we're going to remove the compressor for cleaning, and change the receiver dryer. And we have this BMW over here. It's a 7 Series. The radiator fan not running, so that caused the AC back pressure to go high. So guys, I'm just showing you a few stuff that we are doing, as I say, on this vehicle. I'm going over here. This is a understream also. The eye side hose on this stream is leaking, so we're going to pull it out and rebuild the hose. Yes guys, please like and share this video and comment and tell us what you think about our videos that we uploaded. So guys, see you in the next video.